This is 133 The Darkness with an updated Decktech for my Wolf Run ramp. It's gotten to the point where I really wouldn't change anything else on it, so I'll just give you a quick rundown. Four Inferno Titans. These guys are amazing. Just you drop him and you give him Wolf Run, Trample. He's a beat. I've won a majority of my games. I've actually won with this guy. And then the other Titan, Primeval Titan, fetch up lands, usually Wolf Run and an Inkmoth, but the Inkmoth hasn't been as great because there's a lot of gut shots and a lot of removal. So usually I'm fetching up lands, getting the Wolf Run, usually the Inkmoth Nexus just in case. Obviously 4 Rampant Growths. 3 of the Suns. 3 Birds of Paradise. Playset of Solemn Simulacrums. And then that makes up for my ramp. I have 2 Green Sun Zeniths I can fetch up. Bird if I need it, a Titan, Primeval Titan, a Thrun, anything that, it basically adds 2 more copies of them. So then we have the Thruns. The 1 Planeswalker of the deck, Garruk Primal Hunter. For removal, Beast Within. 2 Slag Storms. 2 Devil's Play. And 2 Red Sun Zeniths. I like these because of the exile. They Wormcoil engines and stuff. They won't get the tokens, and it gets shuffled back in the deck. So I've won a couple games with the 2 of those, swinging for, just because I have so much mana that I can just do that. For lands, I run 12 forests, 5 mountains, 2 Kessig Wolf Runs, 3 Inkmoth Nexus, and then the 4 Rootbound Crags. I know I should probably be running the Scars dual lands, but so far this deck has been undefeated, and I really haven't had mana issues due to the birds, the Fear of the Suns, the Rampant Growths, and the Solemns. I usually will have the mana fixers to be able to play just about anything in the deck. And then the sideboard, 1 Solemn, 2 more Slag Storms, 2 Wormcoil engines, 2 Steel Hawkites. These are, I've gotten mixed reviews on these guys. The reason I like them is because they are a ratchet bomb, on a stick. They can beat in, and then usually once people see that I'm playing Wolf Run, a lot of people will exchange mana leaks for flash freezes. So against control decks, I usually take out either my Inferno Titans or one of my Primeval Titans and throw in these 4 guys to mix it up. And it's done great. These guys have just destroyed people with the control decks. I just clear their board. And I have the mana to do that. 1 Torpor Orb, not Torpor Orb, Witchbane Orb. This thing is amazing. I actually got it against the mono red deck, and couldn't bring his Phoenixes back, couldn't target me. He had a handful of burn, nothing on the field, and I just beat him down because I had this. He didn't draw his Ancient Grudges, which I did get lucky for, so I'm probably going to have another one of these sideboard. To naturalize, just for I would do the Ancient Grudge, but enchantment are a big bane of my existence in my meta, so I need that enchantment removal. So Angelic Destiny, stuff like that. One Tree Redemption. One Malara Sylvok Outcast. Just again, poison is pretty big, and I can get away with running, one of each of these guys because of the Green Suns. So, and then one Sword of War and Peace and one Feast and Famine. I really haven't subbed these in, but just because there's been other stuff that I can sub in, so I might be taking these out. If you guys have, any other recommendation on what I should put in or why I should keep them, leave a comment. And then I have one Ghost Quarter, just in case. I can fetch it up with the Primeval Titan, blow something up, usually for Mirror Match, or if they have the Moorland Haunts or the Mill thing, I can just blow it up. So that's why that's in there. So that's my deck. Feel free to subscribe. I will be putting up a trade binder and possibly one or two other decks now that I have a few decks going. So please subscribe, like, and comment if you feel like it.